250,000 giant cuttlefish. They're already guarding the females. This male is late to the party. Males can reach a meter in length, but at only 30 centimeters. He's easily outgunned by the big boys. The giant's kaleidoscopic skin and huge arms signal their masculinity. The little guy simply can't compete. The newcomer spots an opportunity. Two large males so focused on fighting, they've left a female unguarded. He sneaks in, but now the giant's back on duty. It's too risky. It's time to go undercover. He tucks up his large arms that give away his gender, spotting another female held captive under a giant. He finesses his disguise, dulling his vibrant colors to mimic a mottled female cloak. The newcomer slips in, right under the giant's nose. Perhaps lost in the moment, the newcomer drops his cover. The game is up. This mind-blowing deception accounts for 1/3 of all breeding successes. This little cuttlefish's work is done.